renovation project at 7 Southampton Court in Rocky River. I'm Theresa Brannen with Keller Realty on the Easy Sales team. Not only am I a realtor, but I also rehab homes, and I wanted to show you my latest renovation project. Alright, well as you see, this is very 1980s. This floral wallpaper here really excites me because it's just cosmetic and a lot of people can't see past it. And also, the smell of smoke and pet in here, that doesn't scare me, but it could scare other people. That's what I look for when I'm looking for a renovation project, just something cosmetic. The bones are good, but I can just tear apart and put my designer taste onto it. And obviously the kitchen is where you're going to spend most of your money on a renovation. That's where everyone spends most of their time. So the higher end you go, the better you will get your return on your investment. Now I'll show you the downstairs first floor master suite. Buyers right now are interested in that first floor master suite, so this is already great potential with this space. A couple questions my clients always ask me is where I find these projects and why don't I take all the projects on that I run across. And simply it's because I don't have the time to do that many projects, but there are homes available with great value after renovation, and that's where I can help guide you to finding the perfect rehab project for what your goals are. Great entertaining space on the back patio. Working with buyers and sellers over the past several years, I've learned what people are looking for in their homes, whether they're renovating or they're listing their homes for sale, and I can help them find it. Thanks for coming along and checking out my latest renovation project. I'm super excited to get started, and I can't wait to show you the progress as I move my way through the project, and of course the after reveal when it's all pretty and luxurious and be ready to be sold.